Assalamu alaikum. My name is yusrA and I'm introducing you to the Everyday Science Basic Elementary portfolio. Let's see. First topic we have is zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology that relates to the animal kingdom, including the structure, embryology, evolution, classification, habits, and distribution of all animals, both living and extinct. Setting up the outdoor environment. To attract wildlife in order to provide children with opportunities to observe and study them. Setting up the indoor environment. To develop respect for other living creatures, to enable the children to take care of animals including birds, fish, and attend their needs. Animals of the world. To give the names and some simple information regarding animals around the world. Classified cards of living and non-living. Living things that take food and grow and reproduce themselves are called living things. Non-living things can't take food, they don't grow, and they don't reproduce. There are some examples of living things. These are the examples of non-living things. Classified cards of general classification of animals. Domestic animals, birds, carnivores, herbivores, wild animals. Life cycle of a butterfly. To give the concept that every living thing have a cycle. Scientific classification of 5 classes of vertebrate and invertebrates. Vertebrates animals have backbones while invertebrates animal does not have it. There are 5 classes of vertebrates: fish, birds, reptiles, mammal, and amphibians. Fishes have scales on their bodies, have gills for breathing, and they are cold-blooded. Birds have feathers and wings and have beaks, and they lay eggs and are warm-blooded. Amphibians have moist and slimy skin. They lay egg in water and are cold-blooded. Mammals have fur or hair and they feed young ones on milk and are warm-blooded. Humans are mammal as well. Reptiles have dry, scaly skin. They lay egg on dry land and are cold-blooded. Animals jigsaw puzzle. To introduce the different parts of animals and to enable the child to compare the morphology of animals with that of humans. A turtle has eyes, head, mouth, forelegs, plastron, carapace, tail, hind legs. Nomenclature cards of parts of the body of an animal. We have got an example of sea turtle, while the land turtles have some other features different from the sea turtle. Let's see the detail about the turtles. A turtle is a reptile and can live on land and in water. It has a firm shell and its skin is dry and scaly. They feed on crabs, other shellfish, jellyfish, sea grasses, and seaweeds. The sea turtle can see more clearly underwater than land, but the land turtles can see more clearly on land than water. They have no teeth, they have beak, while land turtles have teeth as well. They have saw-like ridges on their jaws which are good for cutting through tough seaweed. Sea turtles have flippers. Let's see. Front flippers are long and wide for paddling through the water, and back flippers have the turtle steer as it swims. While on land, the turtles have legs, and their forelegs are short and scaly and sometimes can be retracted into the shell. And land turtles also use their hind legs to steer and swim into the water. A carapace and a plastron. A carapace is the upper shell. The shell protects the body from harm, and plastron is the shell that is under the turtle. It protects the soft underside of the body. Living things reproduce to enable the child to identify the offsprings of different animals and to make the child realize that all living things reproduce. Dog and a cub, sheep and a lamb, cat and a kitten. The human body to familiarize the child with the parts of their body and their functions. A human body have hair, eyes, nose, ear, mouth, teeth, arm,